All of you. So today class we will solve the different problems on attenuation unit. Okay, now we solve the different problems on attenuation unit. The first, all of you note down the first problem. So a continuous 12 kilometer long fiber. All of you note down the problem. A continuous 12 kilometers long optical fiber link has a loss of 1.5 dB per kilometer. 1.5 dB per kilometer. Next one, first question. So what is the minimum optical power level that must be launched into the fiber to maintain as optical power level of 0.3 microvolts. Next one, what are the receiving end? In second point, what is the required input power if the fiber has loss of 2.5 dB per kilometer. Okay now. So what you have calculated in the first formula, you have calculated what is the final output power. In first problem 1, you have to calculate what is the final output power. In second problem, you also calculate what is the input power. So given data. So what is the given data? The given data is Z is equal to 12 kilometers. Okay na, length is mentioned. So the length is 12 kilometers. Similarly, so what is the attenuation losses? Alpha is equal to 1.5 dB per kilometer. So similarly, in problem number 1, you have mentioned the what is the launched power means input power. The input power is 0.3 microvolts. We have calculated what is the output power. So output power general formula is P of Z. So we have calculated what is the P of Z value. We calculate the P of Z value. So you know the standard formula. So you know that the standard formula, what is the standard formula? Alpha is equal to general formula 10 into 1 by Z logarithmic of P of 0 by P of 0 by means input power by output power P of Z, P of 0 by P of Z. So this is the formula of the standard formula, attenuation constant alpha. Okay na. So what is given? Alpha is given. What is the value? Alpha is 1.5. Okay na. All of you note down. Alpha is equal to 1.5, that is equal to 10 into 1 by what is the Z value? 12. So logarithmic of, so what is the P of 0 value is nothing but 0.3 microvolts. Okay na, 0.3 into 10 to the power of 6 and rayochu, or directly value microwatts by P of Z. So first of all calculate the 10 by 12. So what is the 10 by 12 is how many times can cancel? 5 times by 6 times is cancel. Okay na. So take that value in equal side. So what is happen? The values will be reversed. So here is 5 by 6 in equal to there will be 6 by 5. Okay na, 6 by 5. So what is the value? 1.5 into 6 by 5, 1.5 by into 6.5, that is equal to log of, what is the log of P of 0 by P of Z. What is the value? P of 0 value 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by P of Z. So first of all, you simplify the what is the value of 1.5 into 6 by 5. First of all, you calculate what is the 6 by 5 value. First of all, you calculate the, so what is the 6 by 5 value? So the 6 by 5 is nothing but 1.2. Okay na. So the value is 1.2. 6 by 5 is nothing but the 1.2. So 6 5 times 1 time, remainder 1, 5 to 10. Okay na, 1.2 into 15. Okay na, sorry, 1.5. 1.5 into 1.2, what is the value? 1.5 into 1.5, that is equal to 1.8. Okay na. So 1.8 equal to 1.8 equal to, so what is the another value? Logarithmic of log of, so P of 0 is nothing but the 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by P of Z. So we have cancelled the logarithmic. We can apply 10 powers. Therefore 0. Cancel the logarithmic. 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by, so what is the value? P of Z is equal to, P of Z is equal to, so what will happen? 10 to the power of 1.8, 10 to the power of 1.8. So first of all, calculate the what is the value of 10 to the power of 1.8. 1.8, that is nothing but the 63 point. So what is the 10 to the power of 1.8 is nothing but the 63.09, 63.09. Okay na. So I need only P of Z. So will be write the what is the value? P of Z is cross multiply. So what will happen? P of Z is equal to 0.3 by, okay na, 63.09. Okay na, 63.09 or 63.0 or 63 will be taken, no problem. So calculate the what is the value of 0.3 by 63.09. So what is the value? The value is 0.0047 into what is the remaining value? Here is 10 power minus 6 is there, 10 power minus 6. Okay na. So this is the final answer of P of Z. Therefore the P of Z is equal to, the final answer is in the first problem, P of Z is equal to, so what is the value? 0.0047 is also will be writing. So 0.47 into 3 zeros will be cancelled, 0.47, sorry, not 0. Small modification. So how will we write? So P of Z is equal to, P of Z is equal to what is the value? 0.0047 0 0 4 5 sorry 475 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So here the 0 value will be cancelled by taking the another by 1000. By taking the 1000 will the value 10 to the power of minus 9. So therefore the P of Z is equal to the final value P of Z is equal to 4.75 into 10 to the power of minus 9. What is the units? Watts. Okay na? Watts. So you write the any value. So P of Z is equal to 0.00475 into 10 to the power of minus 6 watts. That is the correct answer. The second answer is will be rewrite as a P of Z is equal to 4.75 into 10 to the power of 9 watts. This is the simplification. Okay na? So alpha is equal to 10 into 1 to the. So same you will be doing the in the same problem. What is the second one? So what is the required input power if the fiber has loss is 2.25 dB. So in given that, so what is the given condition? Here the alpha is different. What is the alpha? Alpha is 2.5 dB per kilometer. Alpha is 2.5 dB per kilometer. So similarly, what is the remaining value? So you calculate the Z is same, the length is same. Z is equal to 12 kilometers. Z is equal to write the Z is equal to 12 kilometer. Okay na? So what is the remaining value? So you calculate the P of Z. Okay na? P of Z. What is the P of Z? So the P of Z is equal to, what is the P of Z value? Calculate in the first problem. So 4.755 or 4.76 into 10 to the power of 9, 10 to the power of minus 9 watts. Okay, now you can remember the units, 10 to the power of minus 9 watts. Okay, now so what will be calculated in this problem? So calculate the input power. What is the input power? P of 0. What is the input power? P of 0. So by using, you know the standard formula. So you know the standard. What is the standard formula? Alpha is equal to, standard formula, alpha is equal to 10 into 1 by Z logarithmic of P of 0 by P of Z. Well, this is formula. So what is the given value? Alpha is 2.5. Alpha is 2.5. Substitute. Similarly, okay na, in previously you calculated the 10 by 12 is nothing but the 10 by 12. You were 5 by 6. 5 by 6 will be taken as 6 by 5. 6 by 5, what is the value? 1.2. Directly I substitute the value 1.2. Okay na, 1.2, that is equal to logarithmic of. So you need the detailed solution, you can substitute the values, no problem. Logarithmic of, or you calculate the only P of 0. I don't know value of P of 0. So but I know the value of P of Z. What is the P of Z value? 4.76 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay now, so first of all you calculate the 2.5 into 1.2. What is the value? 3. Okay now, so the value is 3. So 3 is equal to logarithmic of, T is equal to logarithmic of P of 0 by, so that is nothing but the input power by output power is nothing but the 4.76 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 9. So you can cancel the logarithmic, you take the value is 10 to the power of, okay na. So P of 0 by what is the value? 4.76 into 10 to the power of minus 9 is equal to 10 cube. What is the value of 10 cube? 10 cube is nothing but the 1000. Okay na. 10 cube is nothing but the 1000. Okay na. So I need only P of 0. So that is for input power. Therefore input power P of 0 is equal to, what is the value? Final value is 1000 means 10 cube. Okay na. 10 cube into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay na. Bases are common, then the powers will be added. So plus 3 minus 9, that will be minus 6. Therefore the final answer is 4.76 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay na. So the final answer will be like that. Now this is the final answer of the second statement in the first problem. Or otherwise we will also write what is the value? 4.76 microwatts. Okay na. Sorry, I remember the units is watts. Okay na. Therefore P of 0 is equal to 4.76 microwatts. That is the input power. This is the input power. You go for the detailed solution, also will be shown in the next page. So this is the solution of the input power. Okay na. So this is the standard equation. Substitute the values and simplify the values. So you got the same answer. What is the input power is? 4.76 microwatts. Okay na. So what is the problem? Statement is the optical power launched into the fiber at transmitter end is 150 microwatts, full stop. The power at the end of the 10 kilometer length of the link working in the first window is minus 38.2 dB per meter. So another system has the same length working in the second window. So what is the value? 47.5 microwatts, full stop. The same length system working in the third window as 50% launched power. What is the condition? 50% launched power. 50% launched power, full stop. Calculate the fiber attenuation for each case and mention wavelength of operation. This is the given problem statement. Problem statement. So what is the given data? So from the statement you can observe what is the given data. So P of 0 is nothing but the power launched into the fiber. So the input power is 150 micrometers. Okay na. Similarly will be given the what is the length. The length is 10 kilometers. The length is nothing but the Z is equal to 10 kilometers. So here we calculate the first window is what is the attenuation losses given in the first window. Okay na. The first window is attenuation losses is minus 38.2 dB per meter. So generally, so the units of attenuation is dB per kilometer. Generally the units of attenuation is dB per kilometer. dB per kilometer, but this case will be dB per meter. So the meters must be converted into the kilometers. The meters must be converted in the kilometers. So we go for the first problem. First of all, you calculate them. What is the given statement? So first of all, you calculate the P of Z. P of Z is the output power. Okay na? So input power is given, output power. What is the general equation? So the general equation alpha is equal to, the general equation alpha is equal to 10 into okay na 1 by Z, okay na 1 by Z log of what is the value? P of 0 by okay na P of 0 by P of Z. So this is the general formula. Okay na? So in this general formula, you have calculated what is the P of Z. Okay na? P of 0 is the input launch power is same for all conditions. Okay na? Same for all conditions, but in the third condition, the same length system working at the third window is 50% launched power. What is the launched power is 150 micrometer. So 150 micrometer is given for the launched power. Okay na? 150 microwatts is the launch power. In third condition, only 50% means 150 to 50 means 75%. So that is the third condition. Okay na? So you calculate them. So given values you can substitute. What is the alpha value is minus. What is the alpha value is minus 38.2, that is equal to 10 into okay na 10 into 10 by logarithmic of okay na P of 0 by, so P of 0 is given, what is the value? 150 micro watts by P of Z. P of 0 is given, okay na. So you have calculated, these values are cancelled, okay na. So you directly taken, okay na. So what is the logarithmic will be cancelled means P of sorry. So in this condition will be right. 1 minute. So P of 0, what is the P of 0 is 150 okay na 150 microwatts by, substitute value is 150 microwatts by P of Z, okay na P of Z. So that is equal to 10 power minus 38.2, 10 power minus 38.2. So we have simplified the value, we have substituted all value. Finally the P of Z is equal to, finally you get the P of Z. What is the final value? After simplification you get the final value is, the final value is P of Z is equal to 0.151 microwatt. So that is the P of Z value. Now you have substitute all values and simplify. Finally you get the value is 0.151 microwatts. So here is only meters. We have substituted in the kilometers. Okay na. Finally this value is only for meter. I need only kilometers. Okay na. I need data for the kilometer. So the attenuation losses is always calculated in the kilometer dB per kilometer. But then the problem is given dB per meter. So you must be convert the what is the units of what is the conversion for the meter to kilometer. Meter to kilometer. So that is the first step. So now after calculation, you first of all calculate what is the first window technique, what is the second window technique, what is the third window technique. Okay na. So in the first window technique, you calculate the attenuation unit alpha. Okay na. For the first unit, you take the attenuation constant alpha. Alpha is equal to, general formula is general formula is 10 into 1 by Z of into logarithmic of P of 0 by P of 0 by P of Z. So this is the general formula. So you know the all values, you can directly substitute the, so what is, you know, value of Z is equal to 10, okay na, value of Z is equal to 10, 10 is substitute, okay na, 10 10 cancel, okay na. So what about the remaining value? P of 0, launched power is given, so also we calculate the in the first window, also we calculate the in first window for the P of Z, okay na. So directly substitute alpha value is equal to logarithmic of, okay na. So logarithmic of P of 0 is nothing but the 150 micro by, so 0.151 microwatts will be cancelled. So first of all calculate the, so what is the value of 150 by 0.151, so that is not, the value is nothing but the 150 by 0.151 is nothing but the logarithmic of 993.377. So we calculate the value of logarithmic of 993.377. So what is the value? So the value is, after completion, the value is 2.99 dB per kilometer. So this is the first window technique, the attenuation constant alpha, okay na. So the first one is completed. The final answer is alpha is equal to 2.99 dB per kilometer, okay na. So this is the first one. So in similarly you calculate the second window, so alpha 2 is equal to, second window alpha 2 is equal to, I will be direct the value, so 10 into 1 by Z, okay na, 10 into 1 by Z is equal to alpha 10, 10 is cancelled, I direct the final value log of, so here the P of 0 input launched power is 150 microwatts, okay na, microwatts and microwatts. So in the, what is the second condition? So the second condition is given, the another system as same length work in the second window is 47.5 microwatts is given per the output power. So therefore here the value is 47.5 microwatts. So here microwatts will be cancelled, that's why I am not writing, okay na. So first of all you calculate what is the value of 150 by 47.5. What is the value? The value is nothing but the 3.157. The value is 3.157. So you apply the logarithmic of 3.157. So the answer is 0.49 0.499 dB per kilometer. So the second window technique, attenuation constant is 0.499 dB per kilometer, okay na. So you also calculate for the third window technique. In third window technique, what is the condition is given? The same length system. So what is the condition? The same length system working in the third window is 50% launched power. So here the output power is only 50% of the launched power. So what is the launched power is? P of 0 is equal to, the P of 0 is equal to 150. So in 150, what is the 50%? 50% means off. So 50% means off means okay na. So that will be 75, that will be 75, okay na. So 75 is nothing but the P of Z. So you calculate the alpha 3 value. So what is the formula for alpha 3? Alternation constant alpha 3 is equal to, I will write direct value 10 into 1 by Z. Z value is also 10, 10 times is cancelled. Therefore the final value is logarithmic of P of 0. P of 0 is nothing, value is 150 microwatts by same P of output power is P of Z, okay na. P of Z value is 75. So microwatts will cancel. So 150 by 75, 150 by 75, what is the value? Calculate the 150 by 75, so exactly 2. So you also calculate the what is the logarithmic of 2, what is the log value of 2, okay na. Log of 2 value is what? So what is the value log of 2? 0.3010 dB per kilometer, dB per kilometer. So the unit of attenuation constant is dB per kilometer.